This morning I'm going to be trying to capture some northern harriers and possibly a short-eared owl. Just depends on what shows up. This is a wide open space. You have to have a little bit of luck here if you're going to get a good shot. I've already saw one fly by. It was quite a ways off. But we're going to sit here and try to be patient as the light comes up, and hopefully we'll get some shots. And also I've seen some bluebirds in this area, so that would be a pretty nice shot too, with this surrounding environment with the tall grass. What a magnificent morning. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's cold, but a beautiful early morning golden light. All we need now is a bird. Later on, I hunkered down in a blind that they have at the refuge, and I watched a northern harrier have lunch. Although he was too far away to get a photo, I still enjoyed watching him on my LCD screen. Well, I got a nice shot of a bluebird this morning, but other than that, as far as raptors go, it was a complete bust. I saw some harriers off in the distance, but way too far away to get a shot. It's in the afternoon hours now. I'm trying to get myself to where the light's behind me, so obviously the light will be on the subject. And the activity usually picks up in the afternoon when it comes to the harriers and the owls, and hopefully we'll be fortunate enough to spot one and maybe even get a shot. So time to start walking again and get back to work. So I'm taking kind of a gamble here. I'm actually getting set up in one of the blinds here at this nature preserve, and in some ways it's better to be undercover. I really don't think this is the optimum location, however, but I believe the other blind is taken, and I'd rather be undercover for these birds. So we're going to take a chance, and hopefully we'll get some action. And at least the light is in my favor. I've got the light to my back, and anything out in front of me should be in really good light. And if it shows up, hopefully I can get a shot, but it has to show up first. Well, a harrier just popped up right in front of me. Not as close as I would like it to be, but I believe I got a halfway decent flight shot. But he just came out of nowhere. You have to be ready, and I'm just fortunate that I saw him out of the corner of my eye, because I mean, he was up and gone like a flash. Quite honestly, these are mediocre photos at best. The birds were simply too far away. In most cases, the person, not the equipment, makes a good image. But this is one of those circumstances where an expensive prime such as a 600 f4 with a 1.4 teleconverter would have made a big difference in image quality. But I encourage you to master the equipment you have. Then once you can afford a better kit, you will appreciate it even more. As the afternoon came to a close, I decided to leave the blind and go to the edge of the grasslands. And this time I was graced with the presence of these short-eared owls, and although they were a good distance away as well, it was so awesome to see them diving and catching prey with amazing acrobatic skill. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.